Sai Lakshmi, what is the sound of C?
சொல்லு. சத்தமா
Very good, very good. Ritika, what is the sound of D, Kanna? Ritika. Ritika, are you there? Yes. What is the sound of P? Sorry, D.
D kenapa? D kenapa?
Da. Say da.
D oda sound enna? Da da da.
Da da da.
Dada.
See me play on my drum. Playing drum is not some fun. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Do. Okay, then you remember that sound. Okay. Okay. Satvik, tell me the sound of A. Very good. Very good. Did you know A rhymes? Did you know A rhymes? What is that? Tell me the A rhymes. And so my arms. And so my arms. And so Monday calls, give me alarm. Wow, super. Very good. Very good. Super. Super. Keep it up, everyone. Okay. So now we don't waste our time. We have to do Kidney Anthem. Okay. Yes, go in mute, Kaushik Karna. Come, everyone, for the kids anthem position. Very good, Harshev. I see you. Look at me. Very good. Nice. Nice observation. I saw you. Very good, Harshev. Join your hands, everyone. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Then let's start the prayer. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind. In my life. You define me, my potential inside. Today, I praised with all my might. I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Rub your hand, put it in the face. Rub your hand, put it in the face. Breathe in. Everyone breathe in 2 times. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Very good. Shall we do a warm up or not? Tell me. Want to do warm up? Yes, excited, huh? Okay, super. Okay. Everyone stand up for the warm up. Do. Fast. Back. So touch your shoulder. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Clap. Jump. Jump. Too fast. Down, 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 down. Just fly and jump. Stop. Very good. Everyone have a lots of energy. Super. You want to drink water? Drink. Okay. Today I am going to tell you about the pet animal. Did everyone knows about the pet animal? What is the pet animal? Do you know about the pet animal or not? Yes or no? No? Okay. Everyone have a pet at home? Yes, if you have a yes, then show me thumb. If you don't have a pet, show me thumbs down. No, okay. What about Pritika? Do you have a pet?
In my grandma's house, we have
Pritika, do you have a pet? Yes. Do you have a pet, Sai?
Yeah. In her grandma's house in Tuticorin, they have
Okay, what pet you have?
dog. Challe.
Dog.
Dog. Wow. What is the sound of dog? Do you know?
எப்படி கத்து?
Oh, wow. Super. Um, Inishwan, do you have a pet at home? No. Okay. I think Jasna have a pet now. Cat pet. Just now you before tell me you have a cat pet.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
Cat can't take it. No, ma'am. It's downside below my apartment. So.
Okay. It's okay, Kanna. Satvik, do you have a pet?
No.
No. Okay. What about Nishwan and Kaushik? No. Okay. It's okay. Sai Lakshmi, give me a high five. I have also pet dog pet. Give me a high five. But my dog is not here. It's my hometown. Okay. So I'm going to today I'm going to tell you about the pet animal. So what is a pet? Everyone doesn't know about the pet? Yes or no? Tell me. What is pet animal means? You don't know, na? Pet animals are there. There are so many types of pet animals. Do you know? Like cat, dog, fish, rabbit, cow, parrot, turtle. There are so many type of cat animals. But similar generally cat animals who kept at home, that is dog, cat, parrot, like this. Okay, rabbit. Okay, they are kept in our home. Why do you know about the pet animal? Why we take a pet animal at home? Because pet animal are dependent to us, means people. We have to purchase a pet from outside to in our house. Pet animals deserve the people to give food and house. Did you see in the road some dog was there, some cat was there, cow was there? Did you saw in your street or in your lane? Did you see or not? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no? Some pet animals want food. So you are giving food to pet or not? Tell me. Did you see somewhere pet at road or lane or park? Yes or no? Yes? Where you see the dog? In your street or where? In your street, did you see the pet? Are you giving some food to pet? But that is not our pet. That is normal animal who are roaming in the road here and there. Pet animal means that animal we have to take that animal in our house. Why we take the pet animal in our house? For our enjoyment, okay? For our entertainment. Did you know why we take the pet at home? For our enjoyment, for entertainment. Some, like Sai Lakshmi told, she have a dog. Why she take a dog? Because dog will help us when sometimes if dog will be friendly to us. Dog will be catch the thief. Some stranger who will come in our house, dog will be dog is giving sign to us. What is that? Did you know? About the sounds. Animal give a sign to us about the sounds. Like dog says, whoa, whoa. Everyone knows. Did you know about the sound of dog? What is the sound of dog? The Pinish one? Tell me, what is the sound of dog? Pinish one. And what is the sound of cat?
Meow.
Meow. Meow. Okay, very good. So everyone knows about the sound of the animals or not? Tell me yes or no. No. If you doesn't know, I will taught you. Okay. So pet animals are those animals which live in our house. They are totally depend on people. Okay. To provide food and house. Okay, we provide a food and house to our pet animal. People keep them for our house, for our enjoyment or entertainment, we are called. There are so many types of pet animals like cow, cat, dog, rabbit, fish. Okay? Yes? I will show you some pictures about animals, about the pet animals. Okay? There are so many types of animals. Pet animal, domestic animal, wild animal, okay, water animal. We have so many type of animal. But today we have to discuss about a pet animal. What is this cat?
Meow, 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 meow,
This is
meow.
a cat. Cat says meow. Meow. Cat has 4 legs. Cat has 4 legs and one small tail. Did you know cats love eat fish? Did you know cat love to eat fish? And cat make a sound. What is the make a sound cat? Meow, meow, meow. What is the cat make sound? Meow, meow, meow. Okay. What is this kid?
இது ஏங்கம்மா சத்தாக்குது?
What is this kid? Dog. This is a dog. Dog is also a pet animal. He has also a 4 leg and one small tail. Dog has a one small tail. And did you know what is the sound of dog? What he make a sound? Go, 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 go. Dog love to eat a bone. Did you know? Dogs love to eat a bone. What is this, kids?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Very good. This is a rabbit. Rabbit is also a pet animal. It's generally in white color. Did you see rabbit in another color? Yes or no? No, na? Rabbit is in white color. Rabbit has a tall ear. Did you know? Rabbit has a tall ear. Rabbit love to eat carrot and grass. What rabbit will be love to eat? Carrot and grass. What is this, kid?
Fish.
Fish. This is a fish. Fish is also a pet. Some people take a fish in aquarium. Did you see aquarium anywhere? There are lots of fish are there. Did you see or not? Tell me yes or no. If you see aquarium somewhere, show me a thumb. If you don't see the aquarium, don't show me. Okay? Okay, no one has seen aquarium. Okay. This is a fish. Am I right? Fish. Why we take a fish at home? Fish live in a water. Did you know? Fish live in a water. Without a water, fish can't survive. Fish doesn't have a sound. He only showing a mouth like this. Fish doesn't have a sound. And okay. Another one also I will show you. What is this, kid? Cow. This is a cow. Cow is also a pet animal. She has a long tail. Cow gives us milk. Cow is a domestic animal. We can call as a pet animal also. We can call as a domestic animal. Why cow is a domestic animal? Because cow is giving us milk. That's why cow is a domestic animal. Okay? He loves to eat grass. He loves to eat grass. What is this, kid? What is this, kid? Parrot. Parrot. Parrot is a bird. What is this? Parrot is a bird. And this is also a pet animal. We kept a pet in our house in a case. We can't take a parrot like this in our house, na? We have to take a parrot in our house in case. Okay? Parrots love to eat a green chili. Did you know parrots love to eat a green chili? And parrots love to talk with humans, means people, to us. Parrots love to talk to us. When we talk the parrots, parrot will be reply us. Some sound will be different parrots. Parrot also have some parrots is a green color. Some parrots is in red color. Did you saw in red color parrot? I will show you tomorrow another picture. Okay. 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 Now I am asking you some questions. Why we take a pet at home? Why we take a pet at home? Kids? Tell me. Nishwant, can you please tell me why we take a pet at home? For enjoyment purpose, na? Just now I told you, people take a pet in our house for an enjoyment purpose, for our peaceful mind. When we came for outside, sometime we feel tired, sometime I will not feel okay. Pet give us enjoyment, a peaceful mind. That our
Okay.
habit. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Pritika, can you please tell me the sound of cat?
Cat sound என்ன? Cat sound. Cat எப்படி கத்தும்?
Meow, meow. Very good. Okay. Harshit, can you tell me the sound of dog?
டாக் எட்டமா கொளுச்சு ஹர்ஷே டாக் எட்ட கொளுச்சு கொளுச்சு கட்டு செப்பு
Wow. Wow. Very okay. Okay. Satvik, can you tell me the sound of cow?
Kau வேற சொல்லமா கவு 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 చెప్పు
Okay, no issue. Okay, fine, let it be. Now we do a worksheet, okay? Open your worksheet, everyone. Page number D33CT. Match the animals. Page number D33. Match the same animals. Open your workbook. Everyone understand about the pet animal? Yes or no? If you don't understand, I will repeat it again. Everyone,
Excuse me, ma'am. Could you show the page?
yes, ma'am.
Could you
Yeah,
show
yeah.
the picture? Ma'am, we don't have this page.
Match the same animal. You don't have the page.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
What about the others? Kaushik, no. Did you find it or not?
We don't find the page, but we have something relevant to this farm animals like.
Related to this you have. Okay.
Yeah.
What is that? Can I pin your skin?
Wait 1 second.
No. Okay. And this is a okay. You have to color the pet animal like that, na? It was
Okay. It was like coloring the farm animals.
okay. No, wait for it, ma'am. We can't. I will teach next time farm animal. Today I'll taught only the pet animal. Do you see in another page related to the pet animal?
Yeah, I'm checking now. Animal.
Nishma, did you find it, Kana? Are you simply didn't find? Any related to the pet animals? Just no. Okay, leave it. Okay, if you don't have, because this is a referral worksheet, they will give to the teacher.
We have this, ma'am.
Yeah, just a second, ma'am. I will ping you. Yeah. This is a pet animal. We have to match the same animal to the same animal, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the
To
page
the
number
young
1?
one, to the young one, it's written.
இது இல்லடா மேம் அது சொல்லல.
Please show to the another parents that worksheet page number, ma'am.
Ma'am, that is matching the young ones, ma'am, not the farm pet animals.
It's young ones. We have to match the young ones.
Younger ones. Okay, younger ones. Okay. Leave it. Leave that page. I will talk to you later then. Okay. Kids, give me a help on this worksheet. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Another cat, fish, cat.
Satvik, can you give me a help? Where is a dog?
நான் கேட்டா சொல்லணும் எங்க எது இருக்குன்னு சொல்லணும்.
Where is a dog? This is a dog. Can I match this? No, na. Where is a dog? Is this a dog?
இதோ இருக்கு.
Yes, very good. Now, Pritika. Pritika, your turn. Satvik, you go and mute. Where's the fish, Pritika?
Fish in the copy. Fish. Fish.
This is a fish.
Are the fish, Pritika? Fish.
No, very good. Is this a fish?
Yes.
Is this correct, Pritika?
Yes.
தப்பு அது இந்த fish இல்லையா?
Is this correct?
இல்லையா?
Yes, very good. Now I came to Jasna. Jasna, is this correct time match?
Yes, ma'am. Sir.
Wow, very good, super. Now I came to Harship. Harship, is this correct time match?
Correct.
Rabbit to rabbit?
Yes, correct.
No. Is for both animals not match? Yes, rabbit to rabbit. Okay. Okay.
Good job.
Okay. Yesterday, what letters I taught you? Tell me. Tell me once again. We remember that rhymes. Okay. I will play that song.
சொல்லு. E. Letter E.
Do everyone repeat with me.
E.
What sound will be this? And so ma'am, and so ma'am, and so ma'am, it goes in me alarm. Okay, what sound will become next?
B.
What is this? B, very good.
Ma'am சொல்றது letter.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the patch we play. What will become next?
B. B க்கு அப்புறம்.
B, okay. We are getting castle nest. We are clicking castle
Papa.
nest. We are clicking castle nest. Clicking castle nest. Clicking castle nest. We are clicking castle nest. What sound will become next?
D. சொல்லு. D க்கு அப்புறம்.
What letter will become next?
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
E. Wow. What is the sound of D?
Good. என்ன சொல்லு.
See me playing on my drum, playing drum is lots of fun. Da 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 da. See me plays on my drum. Okay, what will become next?
D க்கு அப்புறம்.
One long standing line, B sitting line.
என்னது?
Okay.
E.
What is that?
அது என்னது?
Egg in the pen. Egg in the pan. Egg in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Crack the egg like this. Okay?
Mm. Okay.
Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Okay? What is the sound of it? Shall I again play this song?
Yes.
Eggs in the pan. Crack an egg like this. Crack the egg like this. Okay? What is the sound of E?
சொல்லு.
Okay. Take any slate. Take your slate. Take your slate, everyone. Take your slate. Okay. Draw a standing line, everyone. Standing line, everyone draw a standing line. Standing line.
Very good. இதுல வச்சு.
Standing line. Sleeping line.
Sleeping line. மேல ஒரு sleeping.
Then draw sleeping line.
Sleeping line. Very good.
Standing line.
அதுக்கப்புறம் இன்னொரு sleeping line. இரு.
Sleeping line.
போடு sleeping line. இன்னொரு இதே மாதிரி. போதும். அப்புறம்
Draw
இன்னொரு
standing line. Yes, show me
very
sleeping line. Okay. Now two slanting line, everyone draw.
two slanting. ஓ அப்படி சொல்றாங்க. இது two slanting.
Wow, very good. Can you write letter B?
B good. Standing line.
Write letter B. One slanting line, two curved line. One standing line, two curved line. Everyone write letter B.
இன்னொரு curve.
One standing line, two curved line.
One standing line. What is? One curve.
No, two curved line. Very good. Now write letter C. One curved line.
C போடு C ஒரு curve போடு.
Very good, very good.
அந்த பக்கம் இல்ல.
Okay.
போடு.
Okay, very good. Letter E also you finished. Okay, very good.
D standing line.
Hi Lakshmi, did you finish Kanna? Dasna, what about you?
Yeah.
Kritika?
ஒரு curve போடு.
Nishwan, where are you? Why you are switch off your video? I want to see. Switch on your camera. Hey Nishwan, where are you? Very good, lovely, super. Keep it up.
நீ ஏன் மட்டும் போடவே இல்ல. நீ ஒழுங்கா எழுத மாட்டேங்கிற.
A star for everyone. Look at here, kids.
Star உங்களுக்கு.
Star.
எங்க பாரு. நான் வச்சிட்டேன். வாங்கிக்கோ.
Star for everyone. Very good. Kritika, you want star? I will give you a star.
மட்டும் என்ன போடலையே.
Star to Kritika. Super.
இங்க ஒரு plant.
Lovely, lovely. Very good. Sai. Okay, now everyone have to open your work.
Very good.
That page number is, I will show you. Page number is D33. Everyone open your workbook. D33. Slate. What is this? A slate. A board. This is a board. What is the side of board? Corner. Slate has a 4 corner. 2 standing sleeping line. 2 sleeping line. 2 standing line. Board have a 4 side. Side is 2 sleeping line. 2 standing line.
Oh, the 1, 2 standing line.
You have a board now. Just now, are you writing in the board now? A slate. Slate is also a board. Slate has a 4 side. 2 sleeping line, 2 standing line. Look at your slate. Look at your slate. Slate has a 4 side. Slate has a 4 side. 2 sleeping line, 2 standing line. Everyone go open your workbook. Page number is D33. I think this worksheet all of you have. Am I right?
No, we don't.
Yes, ma'am. This worksheet everyone have, I think. See, Nishwant has opened that worksheet. Parents, can you please show to the all of the parents? Thank you. Thank you, sir.
இங்க பாரு இதுல இருக்கு.
Sai Lakshmi parents, did you got it, ma'am?
No, ma'am. We
Page
don't
number
have the page.
D33, ma'am.
Yeah, D33. And D32 அப்புறம் 35 இருக்கு. பாரு.
Is the page number changed, Kaushik mom? Or it was the
No,
same?
ma'am, it is D33 LTWS01.
Yeah, it was the same, ma'am.
This book, ma'am.
LTWS01, D33 LTWS01. Yes.
W10.
Midterm book, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. In our book, we have after D32, we have D35.
Oh, everyone got that page? If you got that page, show me thumb. Accepted, Sai Lakshmi. Others? Okay. Sai Lakshmi mom, sorry, parents, can you please draw in rough note? Okay.
No.
Okay. And you send me the photos of that in WhatsApp group. I will let you know.
No, ma'am. We got it. It's before.
Okay, you got it? Okay.
After
Okay.
25, it's there. Okay.
Okay, okay. So now everyone draw. Kids, let's start the worksheet. Everyone draw the standing line. Draw standing line. Draw, start with the green dot and with the red dot.
The red dot வரைக்கும் தான் வரையணும்.
Start with the green dot, kids, and end with the red dot. Okay?
இந்த green dot
Start with the green dot and end with the red dot. Okay?
good. போனலாம் போக கூடாது. நேரா போகணும்.
Now draw sleeping line. Again you have to start with the red dot, green dot, and end with the red dot.
இது வரைக்கும்.
Start with the green dot and end with the red dot. 3 row only you have to do. Others row you have a homework.
Very good.
Start with the green line and end with the red dot.
போடு எல்லாமே போடணும். green ஆரம்பிச்சு இல்ல முடியும். சூப்பர்.
Super kids. Start with the green line, end with the red dot.
கீழே போட்டாரு. அழகா போட்டாரு இவ்வளவு நேரம். இப்போ நீ போடு. greenல இருந்து ரெட் போடு. greenல இருந்து ரெட் வரைக்கும் போடு. அவ்வளவுதான். இங்க வெரி குட். சூப்பரா போடு. ரெட் வந்து கீழே போடாது என்ன? இப்போ இங்க அங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க? இங்க போடு. greenல இருந்து ரெட் வரைக்கும் ஒரு போடு. நேரா. வெரி குட் வெரி குட். இது வரைக்கும் தான். இதுல இருந்து இது வரைக்கும் போடு. போடு. மேலே இருக்கு. இந்த ரெட் வரைக்கும் போடு.
So finish.
Okay, finish. Okay, very good. Do it fast. Okay. Others you can do at homework. Okay. Don't be too full pace, Nishwan. Okay. Don't do the full pace. If you finish one rock, please show me. Yes. Very good, Sai Lakshmi. Very good. Very good. Very good. Others you can do as a homework. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, what about Kaushik? Very good, Pritika. Pritika, show me once again. Yes. Very good. Others you can do as a homework. Okay. Pritika, where are you? Yes. Very good. Very good. Others you can do as a homework. Jasna, what about you? Yeah, you show me a worksheet, Pinishwan. You show me a worksheet. Pinishwan, going mute. Okay. Pinishwan, going mute. Okay. Very good. Others line you have to do as a homework and send it to me in WhatsApp group. Okay. Now, how many fingers we have in our hands? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many sketch pen I have? Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sketch pen I have in my hand. I will count now crayons. How many crayons I have? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 crayons in my hand. Okay, like that you just help me how many flowers I have now. Okay. Look at the picture. Did you see the picture? How many butterfly are there? Pritika, just count the butterfly and tell me. Pritika, butterfly. How many butterfly are there? How many butterfly are there? Etana butterfly? Tell me how many butterfly? 1, 2, 3. How many butterfly are there? 3 butterfly. Okay. Satvik, how many flower is there?
Any flowers? Count
How
it.
many flowers?
చెప్పు మరి ఎన్ని పెద్దగా చెప్పు
1. Very good. Okay. Inishwan, how many ladybug is there? Inishwan.
Count.
1,
Papa, count ra, count. Sydney, ఇక్కడ చూడు count.
2, 3,
3,
4, 5. Very good.
good boy. Yeah.
Now, Kaushik, tell me how many ladybug is this?
How many ladybugs, Kaushik?
In this one ladybug. Very good. Now I will ask Sai Lakshmi. How many butterfly are there? How many butterfly are there, Sai Lakshmi? Sai Lakshmi, just count.
சொல்லு சத்தமா
Two. Very good. Nishwant, where are you? How many flowers are there? Nishwant.
12.
3. Very good. Who is pending? Let's see. Dasna is pending now, am I right?
கேக்குறாங்க பாரு மேம். எஸ் மேம்.
Dasna, how many flowers are there? Tell me.
3, 4, 5.
சொல்லு அவ்வளவுதான். 5 மேம் சொல்லு.
5. Very good. And how many ladybugs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4.
4
How many butterfly are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Harship, how many butterflies there? Harship, are you able to count? Harship? Yes. How many butterfly are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 butterflies are there. So open your workbook, everyone. Everyone, open your workbook. Okay. Sorry. Open your slate. Write number 1. Take your slate and write number 1.
நம்பர் 1 எங்க போட்டோம்க்கா சரி போடு 1 போடுங்க 1 வெரி குட்
Show me. Write number 2. Very good, girls.
2 இவ்வளவு பெருசா இருக்குது சின்னதா இருக்கு
Write number 2.
2 சின்ன கர்வ் போட்டு ஒரு ஸ்வீப்பிங் லைன்
Wow, super. Write number 3.
3 2 கர்வ் 1 கர்வ் இது பெருசாக்குறாங்க சின்னதா எழுது அதே மாதிரி
வெரி குட் வெரி குட்
இன்னொரு கர்வ்
Wow, super. Very good. Very good. I will give you a star, everyone. No, not a star. A cupcake to everyone.
எடுத்துக்கோ
Cupcake to everyone.
ஒன் ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன் அப்படியே ஸ்லீப்பிங் லைன்
Very good. Super. Super kids, everyone.
இன்னொரு ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன் போடு அவ்வளவுதான் வெரி குட்
Kids, stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Kids, hurry up, stand up.
ஏதாவது சொல்லுவாங்க விளையாட
Kids, stand up. Yes. Oh, wow, super. What do you see up? What do you see up? Did you know about the concept of up and down?
அப் அண்ட் டவுன்
What do you see up? Look it up.
லுக் அப் அப் மேல
மேல போறடா
What is up?
மேல என்ன இருக்கு
Fan. Fan. Look it down.
டவுன்
What is that? There.
ஃப்ளோர்
Floor. Okay. Do it. One hands up.
ஒன் ஹேண்ட் அப் இங்க பாரு மேம் செய்றாங்க செய்
Two hands. One hands up. Another hands up.
நான் இன்னும் ரெண்டு கையும்
Another hands up. Both hands down.
ரெண்டு டவுன்
Now touch the floor.
டச் தி ஃப்ளோர்
Hand and touch the floor.
துடு கீழ துடு
Again.
Very
Up
good.
and down.
அப் அண்ட் டவுன் மேல அப் டவுன்
One hand roll. Do one hand roll.
ஒன் ஹேண்ட் ரோல்
Another hand also. Again touch the floor. Touch the floor. Touch the floor. And jump up high. Jump up high. Jump up high. Jump. How to touch the sky? How to touch the sky? You have to Raise your hand now, both hand you have to take up and up. Jump, 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 jump. Yes. Sit, sit, sit. Stand up. Sit. Stand up. Sit. Stand up. Jump, 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 jump. Okay. Now bring one ball and one any teddy bear or toy you have at home. Bring one fast, quick, 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 fast. Bring one ball and one teddy bear. Quick, Kaushik, go. Bring one ball and teddy bear. Yes. Bring. Yes. Very good. Now what you have to do? Take. Did you know the passing ball or throwing ball? Did you know the game about the throwing ball? Okay. Place the teddy bear in one place. Take the teddy bear and place in one place. Take the place in one place. Yes. Little bit far for you. Jasna, take your teddy bear in one place. Don't you have to sit in chair. Get up, get down, get down.
Teddy bear போய் வைக்கணுமா? What she should do, ma'am?
Take a teddy bear in one place. She has to throw a ball and she have to kick that teddy bear.
Okay.
Kick the ball to the teddy bear. She has to kick the ball to the teddy bear and teddy bear has to be down. Okay. She has to kick the ball. Yes. Ritika, place the teddy bear in one place and you go far and kick the ball to the teddy bear. Put the aim to the teddy bear. Okay. Kick it. Kick fast. Kick fast. You don't go to the near. Just say you don't go to the near. Okay. You have to be a far to the teddy bear. You have to kick. Take the ball and throw it. Take the ball and throw it. Take the ball and throw it. Fast. And give it to your parents. Now give it to your parents to throw the ball to the parents. Your parents has to catch the ball. Yes. Now parents give to the ball to the kids. Kids has to catch the ball. Kids has to catch the ball. Passing the ball. Passing the ball. Yes. Passing the ball. Passing the ball. Yes. 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 Give it to the ball to the parents. Yes. Catch the ball. Catch the ball and throw to the teddy bear. And throw to when your parents give you the ball and throw to the teddy bear. Aim it. Wow, super, super, super. Very good, very good, very good, super. Now kick your ball and sit down to your place. Kick your ball. Everyone kick your ball. Kick your ball. Kick your ball and sit down. Kick your ball. Oh, sit in your place. Come. Okay. Now I will give you homework. You have to do at home. Okay. Parents, find out the page if you have a page. Okay. Others, if you don't have a page, draw it. The page number is D33MT. Do you have this page? Parents, just find it. And another side page, you have this cutout. This is a homework activity for all the kids. Parents, can you please find the space?
We don't have that page, ma'am.
You don't have the space. Everyone?
Yes, ma'am. We don't find it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We don't
Now
have.
what you have to do, sir, you have to draw a tree. You have to draw a tree. In the tree bucket, what you have to see in the tree up?
Sky.
What? Bird. A fruit. But in this cutout, we have a bird and earthworm. We have a earthworm. You have to draw a tree and you have to draw bird in the tree. And down you have to draw earthworm. Earthworm you have to draw it here. Earthworm you have to draw here. And birds you have to draw here on the tree.
Okay.
Okay. This is activity for all the kids.
The bird is
Okay.
the
Parents, we have a Pongal celebration on 12th January.
Okay.
We have a Pongal celebration on 12th January. Everyone have to be in color dress.
Okay.
And you have to prepare any thing like dance, singing, slok.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Any activity you have to do on 12th.
Okay.
That's why we before you inform you, because you have to prepare, or you have to prepare any one dance or singing, slok, anything you have to prepare on that day. Okay. You have to become on
Okay, ma'am.
on color dress. Everyone has to become on color dress.
Okay.
Traditional dress. Okay. Okay, traditional dress you have to come on that day. 12th January. That's not going mute, Kanna. Everyone has to be going mute. I'm telling you, 12th January, we have a celebration. Kids has to become on traditional dress. Kids has to prepare for a dance, singing or slow. Any one thing, okay? Dance or slow or singing. Okay, what you have to like, you have to prepare for it. On 12th January, we have a celebration. Okay? Done? Done? Okay. Now, I have to wind up our session. I hope everyone like it. Like it? Now it's time to say bye-bye. 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 Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Bye, Harshit. Bye. 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 Bye, kids.
Bye, friends.
Bye.
அது
Bye. Bye.
Ah,
Bye. Bye, Sai Lakshmi.